Welcome everyone. Welcome back to Hiring Mentor. This is Adrija and today we will be talking about Tech Mahindra. Now recently Tech Mahindra, this company has come out with a hiring update that they are hiring customer care executive personals in their company, and the reason for a hiring update coming out for this company on this position is because Flipkart has recently given its outsourcing process to Tech Mahindra. So now today let's talk about what are the job positions, what are the eligibility criteria, the qualifications, both academic and non-academic criteria which you need to pass to get through this company as a company customer care executive. So today, as other videos, I have Miss Smriti Vaishnavi, who's our colleague in Hiring Mentor, and today she will mainly be talking about Tech Mahindra, its job details, job roles, so that who the aspirants who are watching this video can get a lot of good information and they can proceed. So Smriti, welcome. So before getting into details that what are the qualifications that person need to join this company, could you please tell us something about the job details of Tech Mahindra, like its company, something about its company and
Yeah, thank you, Adija. First of all, it was a very warm welcome. So, coming to the practical thing, basically, Tech Mahindra is one of the leading company in the BPO sector, and it is the top-notch BPO company of India. So, Tech Mahindra is an Indian MNC which provides basic information and technology and BPO services, that is business processing outsource services. So, what coming to the job roles, basically recently, Tech Mahindra has given the outsourcing process from the renowned online shopping website Flipkart. So, this is why the sole reason for launching the hiring plates for the customer care executive position. So basic what happens is that when we come to the when we talk about facilities, so the first thing that hits our mind is the salary. So the expected salary in Tech Mahindra is a little higher than the other BPO companies. So basically it ranges between 14 to 14.5 thousand as a fresher when you join in the few months, and after that when you get your promotions you get a hike in your salary, and your salary becomes from 16 ranges to 16 to
okay.
17,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
So could you please tell me that whether in this pandemic situation, although vaccines are now available and things are getting better, but have Tech Mahindra resumed to work from home, or I mean, has it resumed to work from office, or it is still working from home? What is it?
No, basically the company is providing work from home because it is the pandemic situation. So the work from home option is also available for the recruiters.
Okay. So that was a lot about the company profile and the least details an aspirant would want to know before joining the company. Now let's talk about the aspirants who wish to join this company as a customer care executive. What all he or she needs to do. So now over here we will be talking about what the person will have to do in the interview. So could you please tell us the detail that how the interview process is, where the interview process taking place virtually or in an offline mode, and what all other things a person or a candidate should carry to pass on the interview.
Yeah, so Adrija, the basic interview is going on basically online on Zoom virtual app. But if by chance, if it is offline, the basic things are that you must wear your masks, and either the interview is conducted online or offline, you always need to dress well in your formals basically, and basically you need to be online present on the camera. Join 5 minutes earlier on the Zoom virtual app where you are going to have your online interview.
Okay, so yeah, guys, we have discussed in his other videos as well that whether the interview is offline or online, you should always be dressed well. Now, let's talk about the, one of the most important criteria wherein aspirants go to a decision or take a final decision that whether he or she should join this company or not, which depends mostly on the facilities provided by the company. So, Smriti, what will you say about this?
So the talking about the most important thing, as Adija mentioned, the facilities. So basic facilities are there are 6 days of working from Monday to Saturday, and Sunday will obviously be an off. The next thing that is available is the cab availability for one sided. So after the things get to normal or start getting normalized after the pandemic gets over, you can opt for a cab service which is available for either a pickup or a drop up location. So apart from that, you also get one casual leave per month, and there are 24 into 7 shifts available. And like Tech Mahindra is such a company that who takes a lot of care of their employees. So basic, you get a health insurance as well as one of the facilities from the company Tech Mahindra.
Okay, okay, that was very informative. Now let's talk about all we what we have discussed as of now, and for that, now if any aspirant want to join the company or aspiring to join this company, then now we will be talking about the eligibility criterias. So, Smriti, please mention the what are the academic qualification that a person need in, and the other qualifications like oral and written communication, fluency in English. So could you please just brief them out?
Yeah, sure. So academically, a person needs to be graduate, and the other eligibility criteria as a BPO candidate or an aspirant, as many of us must be knowing, to secure a seat in the BPO sector, one needs to be very fluent and strong in the English language. Either it can be your oral or your written communication. Both should be very much strong. And also, definitely, you must have a basic knowledge of computer about the languages Python, Java, or Excel, Word. So, these all things will also be preferred. But the most important thing as a BPO aspirant or a candidate, you must know that your English should be fluently very, very well.
That was very important information that you shared. And with this, we will be ending our video over here. I hope the aspirants got all the important informations that they were looking for to join this company. So that was it, guys. If you have any queries, then definitely visit our website www.hiringmentor.com. You can drop us an email and we will reach out to you, and definitely you can apply for this company through this website as well. So thank you all, and we'll stop here today. Please let us know in comment section which next company you want us to make a video about, and we will come up with that company as well. Let us know in the comment section whether you like this video or not, and if you like, definitely subscribe to Hiring Mentor and like the video. So thank you.